Hey guys, welcome to our very first unboxing video. My name is Paloma and I'm the New South Wales and Queensland Sales Manager here at Sanremo Australia. I'm super excited to be here today, taking out of the box one of our very first Sanremo cubes. Let's jump right into it. In the accessory box, we have a microfiber cloth with a hook, mostly used for cleaning the group handle between coffees. These are our group handles, where you place your ground coffee into and into the group head in a coffee machine. This is the single handle with the single spout, single basket for a single shot. And that's the double handle, double spout with the double basket for a double shot. Here we have spare baskets, so you can replace them in your group handle. And a blind basket or a blind filter, which is used to clean the group head. That's the cleaning brush used to clean the group head around the shower screens. That's the hand tamper, Sanremo hand tamper, to tamp your coffee, compress your coffee down in the group handle. And lastly, the milk jug, Sanremo milk jug, 400 ml to froth the milk. This is the user manual. The cube comes in two different versions, the Cube V and Cube R. And it's available in multiple languages. This is the booklet for the Cube app. Available on the Apple App Store and Android Store. It allows you to change basic settings, like switching the machine on and off, changing the boiler temperature, and extraction time. You can find out more about the app on our website. These are the hoses, water braided hose and waste hose. This is the drip tray. And this is the Cube version R.